Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. So in the last video, we had seen how water is essential in losing weight. In fact, many of us are even aware that drinking water, not just for weight loss, is very important for overall health. But then why is it that we do not end up drinking enough water, even the minimum required intake? It is said that at least you should drink 8 glasses of water, which is roughly about 2 liters of water. But frankly speaking, even when I started my weight loss journey, I found that my diet and exercise were on the mark. But the only one area that was really, where I couldn't, not knowingly, but unknowingly, I was not drinking enough water. And it is when I started drinking sufficient water and I increased my water intake slowly, that is when I started to see visible results. Staying hydrated is very important. It is important for your overall health, important for your gut health, your digestion, your energy levels. But many people still struggle to drink enough water throughout the day. The end result is that we feel tired, sluggish, and we find that our energy levels are very low, by evening or end of the day. Now, there could be many reasons you are not drinking enough water. You may be having a very busy schedule, or there is no underlying habit only, where you drink enough water, or simply you may be just forgetting. So today's video, we will see, how can we use different, hacks or ideas to increase our water intake. So I will give you some simple tips and ideas which slowly but gradually will help you to increase your water intake. So I'll be sharing with you 10 tips which will help you to increase your water intake, and this will, actually you will see visible difference, in maybe your losing weight or even your overall health. Number one is to set a daily water goal. Now, it is very important that you have a goal set in front of you. Now, if you do not decide that I am going to drink X amount of water in a day, you will never end up drinking that. So first, when I started and I decided, the moment I checked how much water, I found surprisingly I was drinking less than 1 liter of water in a day. So first thing what I did was that I set a goal, a very simple goal, that I would drink at least 2 liters of water, that is around 8 glasses of water in the day. So that was my basic goal. So when I decided that, now my mind knew that I will have to meet this target. Unless you be very specific, that how much it is you want to drink. So do not, even set a very unrealistic goal like I'll drink 3 liters, 3.5 liters. If you're currently drinking very less, it will be even difficult for the body to adapt to that water goal. So first set a very simple goal. If you're not even drinking 1 liter, target 1 liter initially. See, when you have a clear target, if you just say a vague, statement like I want to drink lot of water, it does not, give a specific goal for you. So it's very important you target one specific number. Come to a number like, I would say I want to drink suppose 2 liters of water in a day. So mentally I know this is where I should be finishing my water intake. Second tip is start your day with water. Now, well start is well begun. So if you start your day with water, first of all, it will give you a kickstart. It will give you a boost. It will give you motivation, to start the day itself on a good note. So as soon as you wake up, start your day by drinking 1 glass of water. So what has happened now that since you have slept now for at least 6 to 8 hours, there's been a long gap and your body is under mild dehydration. So the first thing when you get up and drink water, you are giving, you're hydrating your body. So slowly your metabolism starts going up, your different body parameters will start increasing. So what I usually do is that before I have my breakfast, I at least ensure that I have at least about 1 liter of water. So first 1 liter of my water intake is covered in the beginning of the morning. Initially, it may not be possible for you to drink so much water. So start with at least 1 glass, 2 glasses of water. I have also gradually increased this water intake. So what I have observed is that in the morning, I start feeling fresh. I feel more energized when I drink enough water. Number 3 is carry a bottle everywhere. Now you may be working on your desktop, or you may be having an outdoor job. Wherever you go, carry a bottle of water with you, because if you are having your own water with you, it is more likely that you will drink water. Always use a reusable water bottle, which is made of steel, glass or copper. Nowadays you get bottles with measurements also, indicating, the liters or amount of water. So this will help you even to keep a track of your water intake. The fourth tip is flavor your water. Now, many of us may not be, very comfortable drinking plain water all the time, or we may not like it much. So one more hack or one more idea is to flavor your water. You can infuse your water with herbs or different, vegetables like cucumber, lemon, and any other natural flavors. So try to experiment, with different combinations, what works with you. Now, infusing your water with herbs, fruits, or vegetables will also provide you certain benefits of those ingredients. However, do not add any sugar or sweeteners. Now, drinking this type of naturally flavored water will help you to increase your water intake. The fifth point is have a water drinking schedule. Now, if you do not consciously put a habit of drinking water at regular intervals, you will not be able to complete your water intake. So what you can do is initially, just to put a habit, you can start putting reminders on your phone, or you can decide times when you will drink water, like drinking water when you wake up, then having water maybe after a meeting, or drinking a glass of water after your workout. So anything, decide the specific times, like associate it with another action. So if you associate, for example, like you will drink water after a meeting, the minute the meeting is over, you will remember to drink water. So it's very important to have a water drinking schedule. Unless you put yourself into this habit, you will never be able to complete your water intake. So having such kind of a schedule will automatically, subconsciously put a habit in your mind. So even when you are not aware about it, unconsciously you will go and have water. Sixth is to eat hydrating foods. Now, besides your water, try to include foods which have high water intake. For example, watermelons, cucumbers. Now, what happens is that here you are not only consuming food, but there is enough amount of water present in these fruits or vegetables. So having fruits like watermelon, this not only keeps you hydrated, but it also keeps you full. And watermelon, for example, has very less calories. So this will prevent overeating. This will help you to remain hydrated. Seventh is to use a water app. Now this is the age of smartphones. So try to be smart with your water intake also. So there are so many apps available, which help you not only to track your water intake, but they also send you regular reminders and motivate you to drink water. So if you are really finding it difficult to, complete your water intake, download one such app and start using it. Now the eighth hack is to use a straw. Now this may sound a bit weird and funny, but actually using a straw helps you to drink water more. Now it is very, very easier to drink through a straw rather than, using the bottle to directly drink water. So try this out. Add a reusable straw to your bottle, and I feel that including this idea has helped many of my clients to increase their water intake. It is very easier to drink through a straw, and this small change will help you to sip water more frequently without thinking about it. Number 9 is make it a habit. Now just like other habits in your daily routine, you have to make drinking water a habit. Now remember that if you are not cultivating the habit of drinking water, unconsciously you are making a habit of not drinking water. I repeat again, if you don't make a habit of drinking water, you are making a habit of not drinking water. Now a habit is something which you do repeatedly again and again, so much so that over a period it becomes automatic. So if you feel that you are forgetting to drink water, you are not able to complete your water intake, this is because you have not consciously decided to drink water. So just like any other habits, you will have to first intentionally keep drinking water at regular intervals. So over a period, this will form into an habit. So the last and the final tip is make water accessible. Now the simple thing is that if you don't see water, you will not drink water. So ensure that wherever you are, your workplace or you are at home or you're working in office, see that you have enough water around you. So every time you see water, obviously you will go and reach out to it. Out of sight will be out of mind. See water, drink water. That's how it works. So if you are, for example, at homes, see that you have water in mostly all of the rooms possible. So keep water everywhere. I'm sure if you keep seeing water, you will drink water also. So these were 10 tips to start increasing your water intake. So start with small changes. It is small changes which will help you to gradually increase your water intake. So water is not only important for losing weight, but it is also essential for your energy levels, overall health and optimal functioning of the body. Remember, hydration is the key to weight loss. I hope today's video was useful to you. Do comment below and let me know which of these following tips you have started implementing. If you have any more ideas which you would like to share, do write down below in the comment section. So until the next video, take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.